life-defining question. And if so, who am I going to marry? That is an answer to a question that will radically define your life. Will I accept this job transfer? Will I accept this new position? How many children am I going to have? All of these questions are questions that very much define the kind of life you live. But this morning, I want to focus on the question. Because of all of life's defining question, this one stands head and shoulders above the rest. And here it is. The question. How do you know you're going to heaven? I'm asking each of you individually, how do you know that you're going to heaven? Folks, look, all other questions affect your life in the here and now. How you answer this question determines your eternity. If you get every other question in life wrong, you simply can't afford to get this one wrong. Get this question right. It is the question that stands head and shoulders above every other question. Now, if you choose, as we do, to believe this document, which, by the way, is the most well-proven, well-vetted document in all of history. It has proven itself over centuries to be truthful and accurate. If you choose to trust what this book says, which is a very wise thing to do, your death is not the end of you. When you die, your life here on earth ends, yes. But when you die, your eternal life begins. And if you choose to believe this proven document, which is a very wise thing to do, when you die, there is one of two residences that you will take up. You will either go to a place called heaven, or you will go to a place called hell. Now, the Bible has much to say about both of those places. And I'm not going to take the time this morning to go and do in-depth descriptions of those two eternal destinations. But let it suffice to say that if given the choice, any rational human being would choose heaven over hell.